Hi everyone, myself Tanish Karawat. I have created a data analysis project on Formula One racing. I have analyzed that data from year 1950 to 2022. I got this data from an open source API named as the Airgast API. This data consists information about results, lap times, qualifyings, racing circuits, drivers, races, etc. The size of the dataset is approximately more than 3 million records. For storage and computing purpose, I have used the Azure Data Cloud platform, and for the storage purpose, I have used Azure Data Lake storage service. For analysis, I have used Azure Databricks service to write my scripts in form of notebooks. For writing notebook, I have used Pyspark and SQL. For creating ETL pipelines, I have used Azure Data Factory, which helped me to create the ETLs, which is extract, transform, and load my data to the respective databases. I have created 3 layers in my project, which are ingestion layer, transformation layer, and the presentation layer. Ingestion layer handles picking data from raw files and dumped into the raw database, which I can show you. These are the 3 databases: Formula One raw, Formula One processed, and Formula One presentation. So the transform layer handles transforming raw data to the processed data and store it into the processed database. And finally, the presentation layer converts processed data to the presentable data and store it in the presentation database. Now let's jump on to the demo part of the project. First, I will show you the most dominant drivers. I have picked the top 10 drivers of all time based on the average points they have got in their career. So in the starting decade, we can see Juan Fangio dominated. Then in the last decade, we can see Lewis Hamilton has dominated, and the previous decade was dominated by the famous driver Michael Schumacher. In another visualization, we can see Lewis Hamilton got almost 2000 points with 266 races. Michael Schumacher raced 300 races and got 1759 points. Now moving on to the most dominating teams. So clearly we can see Ferrari is the winner here. Ferrari has dominated right from the starting year till now, and we can see McLaren has also dominated after Ferrari, and Mercedes has also joined the domination, and Red Bull. Now here we can see Ferrari has raced the most races. They raced almost 2260 races. Then McLaren and Red Bull, Mercedes have similar races. Now let us compare my analysis with the analysis performed by BBC. BBC handles the data of Formula One races. So let me show you. I will be comparing the results of Abu Dhabi Grand Prix of the 2020 here. So Lewis Hamilton was third and he gathered 15 points. We can see he gathered 15 points and his race time was plus 18 minutes 415 seconds. And we can compare the results of 2019. Lewis Hamilton won the race with race time of 1 hour 34 minutes and 26 points. We can see this. Now I will show you the pipeline which I have created. So this is the ingestion pipeline and this is the transformation pipeline. Ingestion pipeline handles the raw data, and transformation pipeline handles the processed data to converts to the presentation data. These are the 8 notebooks for converting the 8 type of data which I have, which is constructors, which is basically team data, race information, circuits information, lab times, qualifying the results file, which is a huge file, and this is the transformation. Transforming race results. This is driver standings and constructor standings. These two pipelines are joined in this pipeline, and we can see the latest output of the pipeline, which was a success. It was just 20 minutes before. So this is all for this video. I will share my implementation of the analysis in next video. Thank you.